Calcium oxide is an inorganic compound known colloquially as quicklime. Physical property is the surface of white powder. Impurity is gray. Containing impurities is light yellow or gray, with hygroscopicity. Calcium oxide dry powder ball press is composed of 3 parts. 1 is the feeding part. The feeding part of calcium oxide dry powder ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2 is the transmission part. Calcium oxide dry powder ball press. Transmission part of the main transmission system is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. The main engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. 3 is the forming part, mainly refers to the host part of the calcium oxide dry powder ball press. The core part is the roll.